The GlideScope Go, when fully charged, will appear to have a green light at the top where the power button is located. Charging for the GlideScope Go is accomplished through the USB port on the side. USB charging is available in the charging cabinet as usual. The GlideScope Go comes with a variety of sizes. The S3, being greater than 10 kilograms, will be a large majority of our patients. For patients that are extra large, the S4 is available, marked greater than 40 kilograms. For most of your pediatric patients, the 1.8 to 10 kilogram is the S2. And finally, for the neonate size, the S1. We still use our standard stylets as we have with the previous GlideScope. The GlideScope Go comes in this small case, readily available for use. You remove the unit and fold down the handle port. Turn on your GlideScope Go. You'll notice a battery timer on the side, let you know how much battery life you have, and it'll tell you to connect to the handle. In this case, the S3, and they'll match the port with the direction of the patient. There is no need to turn or force anything in the port. It will snap straight in, giving you the view of your camera. On the USB port on the side, we can record our intubations. Recording is continuous from the moment the USB stick is plugged in. The USB stick is located in a plastic bag inside the GlideScope case. The USB stick will be connected into the USB port on the side where GlideScope Go faces the provider. Once connected, the GlideScope is ready to record the intubation, and you'll see it pop up onto the screen here. At this point, it's live recording. Placement is similar to the original GlideScope. We'll come back into the patient's mouth and tilt till we have camera view of the cords. Once we have the cords in place, we can go ahead and introduce for our intubation as we normally would with the standard technique achieved with the original GlideScope. All this while, you could be recording the entire intubation process. Come back out. After intubation, you can press and hold the power off button for a 3-second count, and it'll power down. When removing the patient's side, pull straight out. Do not twist or turn, just directly out, and it will release. You can fold this up and back into the original case, ready to go. This part is disposable. Your USB stick can be stored in the top compartment and ready to go.